Name and badge number?
Carter
Walk
Roan.
away, coward.
My
Huh?
badge number is
Carter?
Carter
Roan?
Roan. My badge number is 6145. Right.
Okay,
You're gonna
thank you.
have my business card if you would
I
like.
would appreciate that. Your name, ma'am?
Mr. Roan.
Diana Pena, 7247.
7246?
7247.
What is the call about?
Thank you.
So it's regarding a trespassing, right? So they're upset with you guys, I guess, recording inside.
Why would that be?
Listen, I don't know. They just don't want you on the property anymore,
Well,
right?
this is
So they're.
public property.
I understand that. However, any
I'm not trying to
person
get
can,
closer to
no,
you. I'm just trying to
you're
get off
good,
the
sir.
curb so
like
I don't
any
fall.
person, you guys probably know this, right? Any person can trespass anyone for any reason.
No, that's
right?
wrong, sir. Not
You're
on
wrong.
public property. We just went through this. He was trespassed already.
I understand.
The
I
trespassers
appealed
were
it and it was rescinded.
because You must have some type of infraction.
It was Deputy Crawford.
Yes.
Correct.
Yep.
Yes,
So
I have the
they're-
notice of rescind in my pocket.
Listen, they're saying that you guys are disrupting their business,
That's a lie.
being in there. Listen,
That's a false report.
I'm just telling you what they're telling us.
He lied
We're
to y'all
telling you
last
that
time.
It's a false report, and we have it on the record
Okay.
here.
So what is your purpose at the business, if you don't
We
mind?
tried
I
asking?
came
drop
to
off
serve
that
him.
paperwork
That's
and
all
they
I
refused
did.
to come out. They
If he'd have
completely
just took the
stopped work.
papers, we'd have left already.
Yeah, we would have been gone within 30 seconds.
Okay.
Instead of taking this piece of paper like you just did, he told all the customers that are in here, we're going to stop working because those guys are standing quietly recording. We are perfectly within our right to do so.
So, do you guys have any other business that you guys
Yes,
need
I was going to
complete?
turn in my power of attorney for my mother. I was going to get a
Okay.
records request, but they refused to speak to us.
Okay.
Instead, they stopped working, denied service to everybody in there, and tried to get them to gang up on us, which is exactly what they did, and filed a false police report with you. We're not disrupting anything. We're standing there quietly, just like this. There's
So-
nothing illegal about it, and you cannot give a legitimate trespass over that reason. You're very wrong in the law.
Okay. Well, you guys are more than welcome to go fight it like you did previously.
He's
I'm
already
telling you-
won.
I'm telling you, as of right now, you are being trespassed.
Your name and badge number?
Sergeant Shuck, 2904.
Okay.
You're trespassing us without any crime being committed from a public place we have every right to be. You're not upholding our First Amendment right to record in public plus the case law that goes with it. You're not following it. This is not a business, sir. This is a public public property. You're not on private property where they can trespass you on a whim. If this was McDonald's, they could say, we don't want them here anymore, period. In a public place, some type of infraction has to take place. You should know this as an officer. And if you keep going forward with this, you're in violation of the law. Is there a supervisor?
I am the supervisor. They requested they could be trespassed.
Requested.
They're going to have to fill this out.
You're the one
They're
writing
gonna have
the
to sign
trespass.
this, so we're done.
Okay, so it's a request.
So you could go in there when you're not videotaping, from what I understand.
wasn't.
We can go in there
Okay.
and videotape.
Okay.
I wasn't videotaping
wasn't.
and you're
Okay,
trespassing
I don't know
me?
what you were doing. He's going to get that part of the story, okay?
Yeah, well,
And you're going to make sure it's not a false report and everything's accurate, right? Before you leave? Or are you going to take a false report like you did last time?
Who did last
Alex
time?
Crawford and
Okay.
Schrock, Deputy Schrock.
Okay.
And they lost.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, we don't want to do that
Okay,
again.
that's why we're doing
We
the
just
form
want you to
this time.
follow the law.
Okay, the form this time explains
The
everything.
form needs
you.
to have the
Okay?
crime we committed on there. You understand that, right? For making a false police report?
Okay, so he's not.
Not this time,
he's
but the
not-
last time.
He's not reporting a crime. What
The last time
did
you
he
did.
report a crime last time?
Last time he said he was being trespassed for violating federal law. And then on the body cam he goes, I didn't tell him that, but all we did was copy and paste his policy. He completely filed false information for your guys' police report.
So,
So
was there a
we'd like to-
Pasco?
It was that same guy. It was Alex Crawford was the deputy. Okay?
you have seen the video, right?
No.
You
Okay.
haven't seen your body cam video where you went inside here and he goes, come on in, you're one of the good guys? You're not one of them pesky taxpayers?
No, I haven't gone back and watched it.
Okay, well, he said something to you. He said, we copied and pasted this off a website, and it took effect today because they had a guy just like him exercising his rights in Manatee. And then when he was out here talking to Alex Crawford, your partner that day, he told her he was trespassing him for breaking federal law.
And he told them that the policy was written, he had the policy written by attorneys, which was a lie.
He's lying through his teeth. He made a false report to you and Alex Crawford, and he's making you guys look bad.
I'm going to write a complaint or file a complaint on you when I leave here, and I may come back and file a lawsuit.
Guys, stop. Just follow the law. Please look up the law between public and private businesses. In public, where we have a right to be, we have a right to record, whether they like it or not. This is not a private business. He's filing a false police report. He's lying to you. You gonna let him get away with that? Or are you gonna trespass the guy's exercising their rights?
I mean, I'm just here.
You just hear what?
I'm not here trespassing.
Okay, I'm reporting a crime to you. Are you gonna do anything about it?
So you were over here talking to my partner.
I'm reporting a crime to you. You were involved in.
So look, right? You already talked to my partner.
Forget this. I'm talking about the situation where you were involved.
You reported something.
I'm talking about the situation where you specifically were involved. That situation. He filed a false police report. I want him charged for it. You were there. Not only were you a witness, you recorded it all. And he lied straight to your face and your partner's face about what was going on. We're not disrupting anybody. We're standing still. They decided to stop working, and then the customers blamed us for them not working. That's called the heckler's veto. It's not lawful. It's not legal. They have no reason to stop working. All we try to do is hand in a piece of paper. It would have took less than a minute. We all saw it. Thousands of people have seen it. Now I'm asking you if you're going to charge him for committing that crime.
No, I'm not.
Why is that?
I'm not going to investigate. You already talked to my partner. This stuff has been said. You already talked.
No, sir. I have not talked to them about what I'm talking to you about.
You know that?
And I just reported a crime to these two deputies here, and they're completely saying they're not going to investigate the crime. Is there a reason for that?
What did you report?
That Mr. COUET gave you deceptive information during a police investigation.
Right.
He filed a false
That's
police
something
report.
for you to bring up during this appeal process.
No, it has nothing
Okay?
to do with this.
Okay, because
This
there's
is a
people
separate
in there
crime.
that are saying you disrupted their whole business day because they couldn't do business when you were videotaping in
They
here.
could do business. The government employees
Okay.
stopped working. That has nothing to do with us.
All right, well, you're disrupting it.
That's a lie.
All right.
Now you're lying on the record.
Okay, I'm lying.
You are.
Okay,
How did we disrupt, sir?
all right.
So how did we disrupt?
That's what they told me.
So
they
you're
could not
going on a
conduct
false
business
claim.
when you were in there.
Why is that?
Not going to argue with you because you're videotaping.
What's that have to do with
Okay.
anything?
You're
Exercising
videotaping,
our
aren't you?
rights makes them stop
Aren't you
working?
videotaping?
Are you videotaping? Are you guys recording?
Is your body camera activated, sir?
all are.
Did you record in there?
Yep.
Did they stop working because you were recording? Or are you guys sovereign from the law? Are you guys sovereign citizens? Are you sovereign citizens, sir? Every time. And the sole reason of recording cannot be a reason for them to stop working and remove us from the property. There has to be some type of crime committed. That's why his trespass was rescinded, because if we try to take this to hearing, there's nothing. You have nothing. We're allowed to be here. We're allowed to record here. The courts have already ruled.
And I know you know who I am now, but you don't know my YouTube channel?
I haven't looked at it now.
You know it though, right? They told you my channel?
Cam something.
Cammed Up Caveman? Yeah, it's on there. You'll see how Timothy lied to you.
You lied
Where
straight
And
to
the-
your
and the-
are all
face,
your
bro.
other cameras?
They're in the car.
Oh, okay.
I didn't wear a camera in here. I just picked this
So
up
you're
when I
being
came out here.
trespassed for he's not even
I haven't
recording, he's being
even
trespassed.
recorded, and they're trespassing me, okay? I'm going over there.
Where are you going?
Over there to the other officers.
All right.
So you had your cameras off? That was smart.
We're allowed to when we're having an officer discussion.
You know that law, right?
That's not a law. That's our agency policy.
Okay. And you do understand that I wasn't recording in there, correct?
Okay, that's fine. You're still disturbing the business.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Timothy lied to you again. How long have you been an officer?
So August will be 5 years now.
All here at Pasco?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Because I'm being trespassed for no reason now. You understand that, right?
So you're being trespassed because you're violating their policy.
What policy?
Calling a disturbance.
What policy?
The door says there's no recording.
I wasn't recording.
Right?
I've
So
already told
it's
you
not-
that.
It's not illegal to record in a public place, as you know that, right? But if it's their policy and they're asking you not to record, they have a right to trespass you because you're
But-
causing disturbance to their business.
But something you need to understand is if something isn't illegal normally, it's not illegal because a policy was created. You can't create a policy that violates someone's rights, you know? You understand that, right?
Okay, but you can't disturb someone's business, right?
I wasn't. I was standing still waiting to serve him, but he
So-
kept ignoring
So
me.
listen, that's what they're telling me, right?
They lied to you
I
again.
can't- He may have, right? I can't say that he's lying. I can't say that you're lying.
Now, if I had video footage of it, I could show you, right?
If you want to show me,
I
video
didn't
footage,
video it. I didn't start videoing it until I went outside with y'all.
well, so-
Until I had police activity.
So again, their policy is not to record. However, right?
But
if
I didn't
someone's-
record
I
inside.
understand. Listen to what I'm saying. So their policy is not to record. However, if someone's accusing you of something, pull out your phone. Like, it's not illegal, right? At the end of the day, right? But I have to go based on what he's telling me, what you're telling me, and what I can prove at the time, right? I have a bunch of citizens who came here to do whatever they needed to do that seem pretty upset.
And did you investigate? Did you ask them whether I was recording or not? Whether I had a phone in my hand or a camera on me? Are you going to?
I'm going to.
You think they're all going to be here by the time you get done with this?
I don't know. I hope so. But so, I mean, at the end of the day, all this doesn't matter because you're saying you're not trespassing, right? You're the one.
You're saying that I'm trespassing. You're trespassing
but
me.
You two are telling me that you guys aren't trespassing.
I'm telling you that if I am being trespassed, I'm being trespassed illegally. And you're a lieutenant? Or is that a corporal?
No. This is
lieutenant?
No, FTL. So I'm a field training officer, so I train new deputies.
Oh, that's even better.
66-159.
Still going through?
Yeah.
What crime are they putting on there?
I don't know. He just looked up the
policy enforcement?
Policy.
Are you policy enforcement?
If you guys don't mind, we're going to walk up.
And you understand that I wasn't recording in there, correct? You understand? You didn't see my camera until I came outside, correct?
During the appeal process, you have every opportunity to go up there and say that.
We're going to speak at the front of the business if you don't mind.
Who is?
Me, you two, and Tim. We're going to have a conversation.
Let's, please.
Okay.
Thank you for that. Sir, please just follow the law. Their policy is not lawful. Okay? You're not policy.
How long have you been an officer, Schrock, if you don't mind me asking?
Like 2.5 years.
2.5 years? What about you, ma'am? 6.5?
So, gentlemen, we're trespassing you today for
what
torturous
crime?
interference in a business practice,
Torturous interference?
and we appreciate.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
Is there anything else you need from me? No. Very good.
What did
Thank
you
you.
say?
Thank you, John.
You do know that I wasn't recording in there, correct?
So again,
This is a coward, guys. Come
Listen.
on. That's a coward right there.
Mr.
The appeal process is garbage.
Okay.
Right, so
It's an easy way.
So you're going to enforce policy and not the
Okay.
law. Is that right?
All right. Are you done with them?
Mr. Shuck, are you going to enforce policy and not the law?
You can leave now.
So you're not going to enforce the law?
You can leave now.
I don't know.
We
Is
need
that
to wait
an
for this
answer to my
paperwork,
question?
right?
Copies. You can
I
leave.
don't want anything. What crime is on there?
okay, it's not a crime. It's a violation of their policy. Okay, and you disturbing the business. Okay.
So
So
how do we
you
do
guys
that?
can take these if you want, or you can drop them out.
And
I'll
how
pick
is he
them up.
saying we disturb the business before I take it?
Okay, so you were recording and you were disturbing people in there, right?
How?
So recording, right?
We're done with that. You want to appeal?
I wasn't
appeal.
recording.
Okay?
I've told you
We're
that.
done. Give it
So-
to him, and then we leave.
Again-
You're taking another false report?
Listen, again, you're
This is
being
a false
trespassed.
report.
So if you don't start moving,
Have a
you're
good
not
day.
gonna
You
go.
go.
Okay, you took another false report. Can